Today see about kids daily using D letters English words following for dog. D-O-G, dog. Door, D-O-O-R, door. Dice, D-I-C-E, dice. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Drum, D-R-U-M, drum. Dot, D-A-R-T, dot. Desk, D-E-S-K, desk. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Diamond, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. Donut, D-O-N-U-T, donut. Dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Draw, D-R-A-W, draw. Dad, D-A-D, dad. Dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress. Dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Dead, D-E-A-D, dead. Danger, D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter. Driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. Dragon, D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. Down, D-O-W-N, down. Dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. Dinosaur, D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R, dinosaur. Dollar, D-O-L-L-A-R, dollar. Dragonfly, D-R-A-G-O-N-F-L-Y, dragonfly. Doll, D-O-L-L, doll. Drug, D-R-U-G, drug. Dark, D-A-R-K, dark. This is the kids daily using D letters English words. Thanks for watching video. Like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.